Welcome back and good morning, gang, my fellow cult members of the GameStop Loopring and immutable cults. Just joking. But welcome back. We are minting now. We're gonna mint. Last time we made a silly little GIF. I'm gonna put a little thing to the video here on the YouTube thing. And then go check that out if you want to see the process. It's not tutorial. I'm not an artist. I've not taken school for this stuff. I just like it, and I'm trying to learn it and farting around. Got a lot of really good help from the community. D'Souza and cousin Sven have been super helpful so far. Excuse me. And one other thing I wanted to mention is that if you wanted to use the paint.net that I recommended last time, and you were worried about like trademark stuff, you can go to like Pixabay, for example, have royalty free images that you can use. So if you did like illustration of whatever, like if you wanted this monkey to go in orbit or something like that, you can use those. And it's royalty free, so you don't have to worry about trademarks and stuff like that. So that's a good resource for people if they were so inclined to whatever create stuff, if you were worried about trademark stuff. But anyway, the last time we made a GIF, it looks like this. I saved it as a GIF already. I have the recording in a window that is right here. Here's the GIF. It's called GIF Animation 50. I am making I did this. Oh, I already made a video, but I screwed up and I recorded the wrong screen. And I spent like 30 minutes doing the second video. 30 minutes each video. And I screwed it up because I put it on the wrong screen. I mean, what can I say? I've eaten crayons for 39 years. I started as a baby. I wasn't breastfed. I just ate crayons right out of the womb. They're like, it's a boy. Here's red. He probably will like red. Anyway, here we go. This is how you mint. We're using Pinata. We are making a new folder. The new folder is called NFT Video Sample Part 2. It's an empty folder. We are putting the GIF that we want to mint into that folder. It could be an image. It could be a video. It could be whatever you want it to be. It can be PNG, a JPEG, I don't know, maybe an exe file. I'm not really entirely sure all of the limitations you can mint, but yeah. So you put it in its own folder. Okay? Nothing else in there. This is the folder. There it is, right there. Okay? Then you go to Pinata Manager. I already did this. These exist already because, like I said, I screwed up. But we're doing a new one that you can actually see this time. Upload. I made an account. Bimbo. Upload. Folder. Select. Desktop. Nope. I'm just trying to. I don't want to expose some stuff. What did we call it? We called it NFT Video Sample Part 2. Boom. Upload. Boom. This will stay on this window, by the way. Don't change it. We're going to call it NFT for Video 2. Okay? Upload. This is not going to take long. If it was a big file, the biggest file I've done so far successfully is 32 megs. Did not take long. I don't know if it didn't take long in Loopring either. We're going to get to that in a second, but that's a good sign. It just uploaded. Here it is. This is the name. This is the CID. This is important. We're going to use this in a second. If you look in the folder, it has an animation. The animation that we made. You can click on it and see it. There it is. That's what we're minting right there. It's slow right now just because it's loading, but Yeah, that'll load eventually. It doesn't really matter. So this is the CID. Okay. Next step, we need to make metadata a JSON file. I use Notepad. Notepad is very simple. It comes with Windows. If you use Windows, I don't know if it uses Mac. If you use a Mac, just, I don't know, figure it out. I don't think, I don't know, never mind. You need a minimum of description, image, name, royalty percentage. Okay. This is where you put in like attributes. Like if, let's say we're talking about Bored Ape Yacht Club and these monkeys have, hats and eyewear and shirt and background and let's say they have a loser fan base. Just joking. Don't kill me. Oh my God, don't kill me. These are all attributes. Of course, these would have to be in parentheses or whatever they're called. And you would put, blue, and shirt would be plaid, and eyewear would be sunglasses, and all the attributes have names, so that when you mint a collection of, say, 10,000 of them, if 1,000 of them have sunglasses, then 10% of the apes have that attribute, and it will basically tell you. That's why when you go to like OpenSea, for example, if you look at just one sec, DAYC. If you look at an ape, here's one. You can look here and it says clothes. Or wait, let's click on this one. And this one says background orange, 13% have this trait. Eyes angry, 4% have that. And because you've documented it all in the metadata, that's how these marketplaces know what percentage it is, because they know, okay, this has got the Irish hat, but only whatever, I don't know how many Bored Apes they made, 10,000, something like that, but only whatever amount have the hat, so it's 2%. And then, of course, this gives like a rarity. If this is all low, this looks like a pretty low thing. So what's this selling for? Gee, only $56,000 for this picture. Absurd, I think, but whatever, to each their own. Anyway, that's where they get all this information from metadata. That's what it is. So when you're, making a collection of NFTs, maybe I'll do that in another video. Maybe we'll write a script. Maybe that'll be another video for another day, eh? Heck, might as well. We'll try to become the next Bored Ape Yacht Club. Just joking. That's dumb. Anyway, this is metadata. This is the description we're going to write. This NFT is for the video I'm making for the Twitter gang. I had to make the second video because my brain is filled with crayons. Image. This is where the CID comes in, okay? This is your IPFS. I don't know what that stands for, but it's a something. It's a different network. Ask someone smarter than me. This is where Loopring pulls this information from. So I go to my Pinata. I open up my folder. I see this is my CID right here. And then just double check. So TCE, that's what it ends with. TCE. So let's go back to metadata. Fill that in here. Boop. TCE, that was it. Don't know why that went weird on me, but TCE. GIF, animation 49, that was the last one I made. I just keep this open. I keep resaving it every time. It's easy. I've been using that format, that naming convention, for all of my GIFs so far. So this is number 50. So I'm just going to change this to 50. I could copy and paste it if I wanted, but, 2 buttons easier than 4 buttons. Sugar Daddy example mint the sequel by Bimbo Slice. Royalty percentage 10%. This can be any. This has to be here. Name has to be here. Image has to be here. Descriptor. They have to be here. This can be 0. It can be 10. That's the highest, I believe. It's a 0 to 10. So if I give this away to someone and you sell it and try to make money, I automatically get 10% of whatever you sell this for, which is awesome. You know, power to the creators, as they say. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it at 10. I am going to file. I am going to save as. I am going to save. I am going to overwrite. That's nice and simple. Because then when I mint in a second, it's simple. It's the only metadata.json that I have. I don't need to save these. I can rewrite them. I can do them, whatever. It doesn't matter. And they're all going to be on my pinata file. I have another one. I have a personal one, but I made one for here because I don't want you guys to see that my first name is Arthur. Just kidding. So file, save as. Okay. Then we're going back to Pinata. We are uploading this time. We're not uploading a folder. We're uploading a file. Select file. Desktop. Metadata. I'm going to name this because it gets confusing. NFT video part dose. Upload. Now we have another CID. This is going to come in handy. Here it comes. There it is. I'm not going to click on this because it's just going to download the data. But anyway, this is the CID. This is important. You can copy it by clicking that little button right here. Next, we're going to mint. We are going to loopring.io. We are launching the app. We are getting our phone out. I just got a text from a random number, and all it said is, hello. Hi. Okay, Loopring. Boop. 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 Sometimes you gotta click this twice. I don't know why. Usually works the second time. Scan, approve, unlock, approve, double two-factor authentication. Okay, we're in. Oh, look at that. Look at that discount, boys. Boys and girls. Oh, baby. Okay, we're in. We are going to go to L2 Wallet. We are going to go to My NFT. Here are some beautiful NFTs from the community. Got a Wolfie. We got an Ordinary Adam. We got a, I forget who made that. We got a, forget who made that. Runic. Forget who made that. Too many. Too forgetful. I'm too dumb. Bunch of atoms. This is hilarious. I love this one. The Stormtroopers. Amazing. They're all great. Love this. Love this. So many. I'm just showing off now. Jeez. Look at that. Excuse me. This never worked, by the way, TK. This never ever worked for me. Anyway, we are going to mint an NFT. This is where we get now. Okay, keep your wallet open on your phone. Don't close it. If you have a thing that automatically shuts your phone down, make it longer, because that's annoying. And yeah, just keep it open, because if you don't, then you gotta sometimes disconnect and go log in again and whatever. That is a life pro tip for you. $325, that is expensive. I'm gonna do it because I'm not gonna not do it, because here we are making this video. We're already a while into it. CID. This is the CID of the metadata that you made, that Pinata gives you on your, the CID of your metadata. This I should have actually called I should have called that metadata instead, but I didn't, and that's still fine. Doesn't matter. Still works. And I know that's metadata because when I clicked it, it did this, and then if I open that, it's a metadata, but I'm not going to do that. So copy the CID of the metadata, go to Loopring, pop that in here. Sometimes this doesn't work. This worked right away that time. Sometimes it just spins and spins and spins and spins, and you don't know why. Sometimes you got to go out, exit. I'll like go and click on another NFT. Maybe I'll go to my liquidity. Sometimes I'll come back. Sometimes it's still loading. It's just a little finicky sometimes. It's not perfect. Holy crap. Look at that go. That was crazy. Anyway, just like, yeah, if it doesn't work right away, X out, open another thing, try it again. Sometimes it doesn't like pre-fill. Sometimes when you hit paste, it doesn't even paste here and it just like circles or whatever. It's nothing you're doing wrong. It's just, they're still just perfecting everything. Also, my app on my phone is still open. It is not closed. Don't close it. You can mint a max of 10,000 of these and it still costs you $3.25, which is incredible. This, of course, is depending on the GWE or whatever. I don't even know what that stands for, but it's probably pretty high right now. Average is 90. That's pretty high. Like the highest it had been was like 200 for a while. And then the other day when Yuga Labs went and turfed everyone, it was like, I don't know, 1,000 or something crazy, or 2,000 or something stupid. Anyway, I'm going to mint one. Or, you know what? I'll mint 5, and I'll give them away to the first 5 people that comment on the video on YouTube. Okay? Comment on YouTube. And subscribe if you want to keep watching this stupid... If you want to listen to my sexy voice. Mint my NFT. Minting 5 of them. Now, on my phone, it's making me approve. I approve. Then I 2-factor authorization. I have to do it manually. Here we go. Manual. Use 2-factor authorization always, because people gonna rob your shit. There we go. That's it. It's minted. Then I'm going to go over here and see if it's done. There it is, right there. There's 5 of them. I minted this in my last video that I made. Like I said, I recorded the wrong screen the entire time, so that's why it's there. I only minted 1. Here it is, ready to go. If I want to transfer this to someone, I go transfer. I put in the name. I'm going to do Lovely, because I always remember Lovely. Because lovely is lovely. When you put in their name, their actual thingy address comes up. If I put Loverly, then nothing showed up, and it probably wouldn't work. The phone app, the mobile app, is awesome for transferring. You can save them. It will pre-pop. If you just put Lovely, it will pre-pop. And, this, for whatever reason, maybe they're obviously planning to connect down the road to exchanges, but right now you can only click wallet. You put 1. Sometimes this is weird. Sometimes transfer doesn't pop up. Sometimes it won't, it's just, there's some kinks. So if it's not working for you right away, just, I don't know, exit out, try again, open a different page, whatever. Just use your common sense. It's probably not you. It's probably just maybe a little buggy or whatever. Obviously this has been released, but they're still working a lot on behind the scenes. And you could put a memo love you, Lovely, When I hit transfer, then you double check everything. When I hit confirm, I'm not going to do this right now, but you hit confirm, it's going to pop up on your address on your phone. I'll just do it. It's waiting for my thing. I'm not going to send it, but if I did, it would send. And where does it say the price? I thought it said the price. Oh yeah, fee, 36 cents, 36 loops, 0.36 loops, which is not bad. Usually it's like 10 to 15, so it's expensive right now. But in the grand scheme of things, it's not expensive, because if this was OpenSea, it'd be like $50, which is so stupid. Anyway, yeah, that's, oh, this is lovely. It's lovely made that. CEO made that. I don't know who made this. This is sweet. I love Breaking Bad. I've been watching it again. I asked someone for that the other day, and they sent it, and that was nice. Thank you. I forget who it was. Too many names, and my brain is made of crayons and crayon wax. I'm just showing off. This is Brian, I believe. Brian O'Donnelly. The Irishman. Wow, what a terrible and racist Irish accent. Anyway, I think that's pretty much it. You can double check anyone's wallet. If you sent something to someone and you don't know for sure, whatever, you can check anyone's wallet at any time. Everything's public, so don't ever think you're gonna pull a fast one. You can look up anyone. I'm not gonna do anyone here on the video. I'll do me. But you can go and see the transactions. You can go and look at what they did. Look, I minted an NFT. That was 36 minutes ago in my last video. I transferred all these NFTs to people. Transfer. I feel like it's all I've been doing. Minted one a day ago. Don't remember what that was. Transfer. You know, you can see this is. You can see the balances. You can see people's NFTs. You can see, you know, all sorts of stuff. Yeah. And if you send it to someone and we want to see if it landed or whatever, just type in their address. Type in what you just typed in to send it to. You know. I think that's it for the minting. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll try to answer. I don't know for sure if I can, because I'm no pro. Yeah, follow along. Let me know if you like it. Don't let me know if you hate it. I don't want to know. If you hate me, don't tell me. Only tell me if you love me. Okay? That's about it. Subscribe if you want. Or don't. See if I effing care. I don't give a GD crud. Okay. Bye. Love you.